Let us consider another question on image segmentation, and in this image segmentation, an image it is given to us. Some portions are shaded, some portions are unshaded, and for these highlighted pixels we have to determine the strength, that is the magnitude, and the direction. We have to use the Prewitt operator, and the value of the shaded pixels we have to choose 0, and the value of the white pixel we have to select, we have to use 1. So in the similar manner we will proceed. First we will apply the filter mask hx at this highlighted pixel. The center of this hs mask is this one. This mask we have to apply it here, and all these pixels including the center pixel we have to multiply with this corresponding coefficient. So first row it is multiplied with -1, second row it is multiplied with 0, and third row it is multiplied with 1. And in question it is given shaded are considered as 0 and the white are considered as 1. So if you write the expression of gx, this is considered as 0. So only these two pixels which having the value 1 will be multiplied with -1. So the expression becomes -1, -1 from the first row. Second row, all coefficient will be multiplied with 0. And in the third row, all are shaded pixel, and for shaded pixel we have to consider the value 0. So the ultimate value of gx it is -2. Similarly, we will determine gy. For gy, we have to apply the filter mask hy. The center of this mask hy, we have to place it here, and we have to perform the corresponding bit multiplication. So this first column, all are shaded. It means all having the value 0. So first column it is 0. Second column will be multiplied with the filter coefficient 0. So from the second column my result it is 0. And in the third column only these two are my white pixels, and this is again the shaded pixels. So white pixels, for white pixel we have to consider the value 1. So only these two will be multiplied with the filter coefficient 1 and 1. So my result becomes 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. Now in order to determine the strength, that is the magnitude, the formula of magnitude it is g under root gx square plus gy square. So now we will substitute the value of gx, -2 square plus gy, the value it is 2, so it is 2 square. So it becomes, so it becomes 4 plus 4, that is equals to 8. And up to 2 decimal place, if you determine the result, it is around 2.83. Next, we have to determine the direction also. The formula for direction it is tan inverse gy by gx. So tan inverse gy it is 2 and gx it is -2, so it becomes -1. 2 divided by -2, it becomes -1. And tan inverse -1 in degree it is -45 degree. So finally, for these highlighted pixels, by applying the Prewitt operator, we have determined its strength as well as its direction. Thank you.